Okay, I'm going to check the coolant level, which is quite difficult to see on film. So I'm not quite sure how to show you this. Okay, the coolant tank is here. It's behind this panel, and the filler cap is here. You do need to take this cover off and remove a guard from the top of the covers if you need to fill it. Checking it by eye is simple enough. You can actually, looking in the side, you can see where the upper and lower markings are. You just can't see it very well on film. Let's see if I can get the camera in here so that you can see the mark. No, I can't really show you. Maybe I can put an arrow. You can just about make out the green or blue coolant, and mine is slightly over. This is because this is the second time I've recorded this video and I've already topped it up, and I topped it up too much. So I will be doing another video to show you how to undo that. But you can see the upper mark there. Not sure if I go up in here you can see the lower mark. I'll put an arrow on the screen as to where it is anyway. And there we go. Coolant level checked. Job done.